Good afternoon, and welcome to another great episode of Biscuit MTG. I got one of the deck builders toolkits. Let's take a look inside. So we got the sleeve, the box, of course, a little beaten up, but that's what happens when they sit around very long. Got the freebie box, comes inside. 4 lovely boosters. The Earls Beyond Death, Tornado Drain, Core 2020, and War of the Spark. And then we got these nice little fun goodies. Bunch of stuff. Hey, look, free box. Okay, well, just to show you what this is. This is most likely all land. Just to give you a little brief idea. But there's other like uncommons and commons in here. Just a bunch of land, just to show you. But then you got an Unknown Shores, some other stuff, artifacts, Inspiring Veteran, some neat stuff, more land. Gives you some stuff from Tornado Drain, Beanstalk Giant. Not too shabby. We'll save that one till last, because you can already see there's a rare in it. That's a neat one. I've already had a little sneak peek, but I want to show you people what's in it. Again, showing you what's in it. Fling, Annex, which I needed anyways. Bake into a Pie, more mana, another god, some more cards. Opt, got so many of those. Inspiring Veteran, Inspiring Veteran, yep. Some more fun goodies. Okay. Oh, they even give you a Daktos. Nice. Always can use more Daktoses. And again, we're opening this one. And more land, and then some more goodies in the back. Give you a play set of those. So now you know at least what's in those 3. Now, this was a pretty good deal when I saw at least they give you 5 rares, and you'd be surprised what's in them. They give you 5 color of the rares that are hard to get. Tree Shaker, Terror of Mount Vils, the Demon, the Serpent, and the white one. So they do give you all 5 from the new set, and then a bunch of fun stuff in here. Nice card to have. It's actually going for a little bit of money. It's like $1. Fracka Spawn, and so on and so forth. Another Beanstalk Giant. Alright, let's get to the fun. So now we know we have these 5 rares. Let's start with War of the Spark. It's usually my bad luck one, but hopefully we can get at least a mythic out of these. It would be nice. Iron Bully. Hopefully we got some luck here. $15 buddy.
Perfect.
Ronus. That was a deal breaker right there.
A zombie god.
Yes.
Death touch.
It's Ronus. He's the best one in the whole set. Let's try Core 2020 now.
That's
We've
a good set.
already made up our money in just that one card alone.
That's a good set. Core 2020.
It is.
You had nice, expensive cards.
Hopefully we get another good hit like that one. That was beautiful. It's always good to pull a good mythic, $15 mythic right off the bat. It's always beautiful. And do you think we can do it again, Renji?
Yeah, 100%.
All right, let's
It's
do
always
this.
based on luck.
It is, but hopefully we get it brought back.
Oh, that's a good card. Now you
not
got
too bad.
3.
I
right?
got 5.
You got 5 now.
Yeah, I bought a play set. It's not what I wanted to see, but hopefully we can do a little bit better. Now, I'm looking for one card in this. Well, 2 cards. We're looking for Murderous Rider and the enchantment I'm looking for. Hoping the enchantment's cheap too, but I still want to get it. Doom Foretold. Drown in a Loach.
That's a good card.
Yes, it is. That's $1.75. Witch's Vengeance. Garbage. But Drown in a Loach and these 2 alone are making up. So far,
That's the next one.
last one. I think we'll pull a God.
I
hoping.
think we already had 2 gods.
3.
On camera.
But I'm saying I would love to pull the white God out of this.
Oh, yeah. Tell him what the white god does.
I actually, every time you tap it, you gain a life. But it's good to see both of those.
Hopefully we can get a constellation, too.
Oh, another crap card.
Hey, at least we had a good hit at least.
Yeah, we did get a mythic.
Did we get a foil?
No, we didn't.
Okay.
But the way it does look like it, we did make $20. I mean, just in these cards alone. The Ronus is a good hit, and that was a really solid hit, which is from the one I usually have bad luck in. Well, this is Biscuit MTG. You guys have a great night, and thank you for sticking around and see what I pulled.